Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about camp stoves, specifically small camp stoves. Now, small camp stoves are not to be confused with backpacking stoves. The backpacking stoves are the ones that are just, the little bitty ones that screw on top of the little thing. All right, those are for backpacking. Then it also includes the multi-fuel ones where you have the little tank or bottle and you pump it up and it runs the little stove. Basically, they're all small one-burner stoves. All right, I'm talking about the small camp stoves that you put on the tabletop, hang out at a picnic area, or you set up on a big rock and you're out there at a campsite. All right. Generally, those run off of the green 1 pound bottles, or it has the hose that goes to the 5 gallon or 20 pound tanks. All right, and generally those are you can find single burner ones on that, but generally they're 2 burner or 3 burner stoves. All right, now also not to be confused is the big camp stoves. We're talking about the ones that freestanding with the legs and stuff have the 2 or 3 big burners, the massive burners that you can put a big old pot on there where you can deep fry a turkey or whatever else in it. Right? We're talking about the small camp stoves that you use for a family camp out. All right, so there's a bunch of different ones. Some of them don't have lids. Some of them come with a lid that folds up, so the lid opens up, acts as a windshield to help protect the flame from being blown out. There's a bunch of those different ones like that you can use for cooking in an emergency. All right, so think about it, look at them, and just don't buy it just on the price. Because some of those cheap ones, they're not set. They basically don't burn clean. And you get a lot of soot buildup on the bottom of your pans. So you want to make sure you get a good one that you can really adjust the flame on, get a good clean flame so you don't get soot buildup on the bottom of your pans. All right, so food for thought there for you. Before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. And I'm going to put a link to the Prepping for Beginner playlist up here and Prepping in Private playlist down here. All right. Take care, and I'll see you around.